Okay, we're just going to quickly go through cleaning the glue residue off after you've got your vinyl wrap removed. Tried a few different bits and pieces to try and get that glue to come off. The best that we found was acetone, and you're going to need lots of it. You basically just wash the car down with the acetone, keep it wet. It turns the remaining glue adhesive to like a jelly, and it just rolls off and dissolves off. So we did that. Took us most of the day, and then after that we get in and give it a good gurney and a wash. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what's left. We haven't buffed the car, but the acetone actually gets the residue from the vinyl wrap off really well. Now the bonnet is still got to have the centerpiece taken off yet. That's cooked on there well. That's going to take ages, but the majority of it is off. And if we go there, didn't clean up too bad. Paint's not perfect, but for a quick run around for work as a parts getter, looks way cleaner than it did before. So yeah, lots of patience, lots of acetone, and then get in and give it a good clean, and you will get the majority of it off. It's not going to be a 2-minute job. Like I said, that at that point there, how we've got about 3 days into that now. But yeah, a good wash with acetone and all the remaining residue comes off. All right, hope that was some help. Bye.